you today? We will solve questions about Unit 11 from معاصر book. Multiple choice questions. Number 1. Which of the following is cube? We must choose the letter C. It's cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder. Which of the following has 8 vertices? 8 vertices, rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. Rectangular prism. We have 8 vertices, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And sphere, we haven't any vertices about sphere. Square based pyramid, such as this figure, square based pyramid. We have 5 vertices here and here 8 vertices. And cylinder, we haven't any vertices about cylinder, so we must choose here rectangular prism. Question number 3. In which of the following you can find rectangle? Rectangle, we can find it in rectangular prism. Rectangular prism, such as this figure, rectangular prism. Okay. Solid which has 12 edges, 8 vertices, and 6 triangular prism, it will be what? It will be cuboid or what? Rectangular prism. We can call this cuboid rectangular prism. 12 edges, 8 vertices, and 6 rectangular faces. Question number 5. How many cube here? We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cube here. The volume of the first or the second, we can find the volume about count all the cube here. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 cuboid here. And here, how many cube? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's equal. The volume will be equal. Or you can find the length times width times the height. 1 times 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the long here, and width 1 and height 1. Okay, 4 multiply 1, it will be 4. And the second here, long will be 2, and width will be 2, and the height 1. So it will be equal. We have volume about 1 4 and the volume about second 4 cube. So you must choose U equal. The cuboid has space edges. This cuboid has space edges. He asked about how many edges about cuboid here. We can count all each about cuboid here. The cuboid has 12 edges. The piece of cards here can form space. Cuboid, no. Cube, no. Pyramid, yes. We can choose pyramid because the base will be square and all face, flat face are equal in area. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 flat face. We can count pyramid. Complete with me about multiple choice questions. Choose the correct answer. Number 1, volume of this figure here, space cube units. This cuboid, he asked about the volume. We can find the long and width and height. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. It's the long. 3 multiply by width 2, 1, 2, and the height will be 2, 1, 2. 3 times 2, 6 times 2 equal 12. Write 12. Letter B. Choose letter B. Which of the following is the volume of 8 cubic centimeter? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Letter C. Choose letter C. We can count all the cuboid about this cuboid. Okay. Cuboid letter C. Which of the following different volume? Different volume about what? We can count all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here 1, 2, 3. 3 times 2 times 2. The first will be the different volume because the volume about A will be 3 times 2 times 2. It will be 3 times 4 equal 12. Okay, first 12 and second letter B 12. Letter C, count with me. 1, 2, the length 2 and width 2 and the height 1 2 3. It will be 12, so it will be true. A equal B equals C, so the difference will be C. Count with me here about question number or letter C. Length here will be 2 and width 1 and the height 1 2 3 4 5. So the result will be 10. You must choose letter D. It's different. He asked about different volume. The result will be letter D. But letter A and B and C's volume is 12 cubic centimeter. Question number 4. A cuboid has 3 horizontal layers and 6 cube units in each layer. Then its volume space equal. He asked about horizontal and 6 cube in each one. Horizontal layers. 3 times 6 equal 18. 3 times 6 equal 18. Okay, understood this example? Okay, I will explain it here. We have a cuboid has horizontal layer 6 cube units. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 3 horizontal layer and 6 cuboid units. 6 cuboid units to divide by 3 equal 18. 3 times 6 equal 18. We have 3 horizontal layers and 6 cube units in each. We can count here. How many horizontal? 1, 2, 3. And 6 cube in each one. 3 times 6 equal 18. Question number 5. Cuboid has 2 vertical scales. Each scale has 4 cubic centimeters in the volume equal space. 2 times 4 equal 8. Write 8 here. Look about 2 vertical sides. Each side has 4. Then 2 times 4 equal 8. We must choose letter D. A box is filled by 4 horizontal layers. Each layer contains 8 cube units. Its capacity about 4 times 8 equal 32. Capacity meaning the volume. Okay. Box filled by horizontal 4 layers and each layer contains 8 cube. 8 times 4 equals 32. You must choose 32. What solid is formed from floating the net square? We will choose letter what? We will choose letter A. Letter A. Cube without lid. Or cube without lid. Okay, because all faces are equal in area and the shape was square. Square and square, it will be cube. What is the volume of the solid formed from folding the net square? He asked about the volume. You must count length and width and height, long and width and height. Look at here. If we follow them, 1 here is the base, 1 and height 2 and 2. We can count here. We have long 4 and width 1 and the height 2. 1, look at here, 1, the width, 4, long, 2, the height. 1 times 4 times 2 equal 8. It will be 8, the volume will be 8. Letter D.